Let's dive deeper into Vim. I'm opening a text file for editing using Vim. You can run a shell command from within your Vim editor session like this. Go to the Vim last line mode by typing a colon, an exclamation mark, and then the shell command. Say ls, and the command was run. One more time. Colon, a question mark, and the command ifconfig. To search for a string or a pattern in the command mode, type a / and the string you search for, and then hit enter. SSH and enter. Any matches in the current window will be highlighted. You can then navigate between matches with N, I'm hitting N, or Shift N. N will go to the next match, and Shift N or uppercase N will go to the prior match. This works exactly the same as for the less command. When you search by using a / followed by the searched term, it searches forward. But if you are, for example, at the end of the file and want to search backwards, then you type a question mark instead of an exclamation mark and the searched term. I'm going to the end of the file by typing capital G. I'm at the end. And I'm writing an exclamation mark and the searched term, for example, port. And it found the string. Another quick way to find the next occurrence of the word under cursor is to press an asterisk. The word under the cursor is yes, and I'm pressing asterisk, a star. And it found the next occurrence. And the next one, I'm pressing asterisk. The previous occurrence of the word under the cursor is found with a hash sign. The word under the cursor is no, and I'm pressing hash. And it found the previous occurrence. It's searching backwards. I'm pressing the hash sign multiple times. To search for a pattern and replace all occurrences, in the last line mode, write. I'm in the last line mode and I'm writing %s, lowercase s, the searched term, for example, no, this is just an example, the term or the string I want to replace with, for example, XXX, and G. I'm replacing all occurrences of no to XXX. Now, I think that was a mistake and I can undo till the last saved version of the document by typing E and an exclamation mark in the last line mode. So colon, E and an exclamation mark. And I'm hitting enter. Note that it didn't undo only your last operation, but up till the moment you've last saved the file. To undo the last operation only, in command mode, type U. This is equivalent to Ctrl and Z in a graphical text editor. And to redo the previous operation, type Ctrl and R. Let's talk about cutting, copying, and pasting a text. If you want to cut a line, press D 2 times. So double D. The line was not simply deleted, but copied to the clipboard. To paste it somewhere else in the document, move the cursor to that position and press P. I'm pressing P. The line was pasted there. To cut more than one line, type the number and then DD, so double D. For example, I'm cutting 10 lines below the cursor and I'm writing 10 and double D. And the lines were cut. This could be a simple deletion or I could paste them in another part of the document. I'm moving to that position and pressing P. Okay, let's move on and see how to copy and paste the text. The first step is to position the cursor where you want to begin copying. Press lowercase v to select characters, uppercase V to select whole lines, or Ctrl and V to select rectangular blocks. Use the arrow keys to define the selection. For example, I'm pressing the capital V, the line was selected, and now I'm using the arrow keys to define the selection. I'm going down. After selecting the text, press Y. I'm pressing Y. Y stands for Yank in Vim, which in other editors is usually called copy. Now move to where you like to paste. For example, at the end. Press capital P to paste before the cursor or small p to paste after. I'm pressing lowercase p. And the text was pasted after the cursor. In the last line mode, you can run many Vim configuration commands, such as for example the command that tells Vim to show line numbers in your current editor window. So set NU from numbers. And it has displayed the line numbers. If you don't want to display the line number, which is useful when you want to copy and paste from Vim into another editor and don't want to take the line number as well, run set no NU. So set no NU. It comes from no numbers. Okay. Another useful feature is syntax highlighting, which is nothing but a feature of Vim that displays a text, especially a source code, in different colors and fonts. To enable or disable syntax colors in last line mode, run syntax on to enable syntax highlighting, respectively syntax off to disable it. I'm writing syntax off. And syntax highlighting was disabled. Now I'm enabling it. Syntax on. Note that these changes are not permanent. If I exit Vim and then open it again, I'll notice that neither the line numbers nor the syntax highlighting were saved. I'm exiting Vim and saving the file. So W, Q, and I'm hitting enter. I'm opening the file again, and I don't see the line numbers. To make the changes permanent, in the user's home directory, create or edit a file called .vimrc. This is a hidden file because it starts with a dot. And in that file, write all commands you normally write in last line mode. So I'm exiting Vim and I'm opening a file in user's home directory called .vimrc. And in this file, I'll write the Vim commands. For example, set NU and syntax on. I'm saving and exiting the file. Now the changes are permanent because each time Vim is opened, it will run the commands in that file. See that? The line numbers are there.